Today we will discuss difference between the comfort and industrial air conditioning. Okay, so with the help of the some example, I will try to explain the what is the comfort AC and what is the industrial AC. Okay, so if we talk about the comfort air conditioning, the example are first residential air conditioning like which we have in our homes. So that is the comfort AC. Comfort AC you can see to comfort the human being. Okay, according to human being it is designed. So human being have required comfort condition about 55 to 60% relative humidity and 20 or you can say 23 to 25 the temperature inside the air conditioning room. In that comfort condition, the human being feel perfectly comfort. Okay, so that condition need to be required or need to be maintained inside the air conditioning room. Okay, so where you can have the comfort air conditioning where the people are there, and it depend on the number of people what activities are there. So according to that we can slightly modify the air conditioning design. Like in our home we have the room, in that generally we can design the air conditioning for 2 3 people. Okay, and there is no other activity is there. Okay, similarly second example is there retail facilities like where retailing the shop malls inside. Okay, so in that you have the different condition where the number of person may increase. Sometime it might be very frequent like in the evening 6 to 7 8 the person will be more, so that time you have the peak load. Okay, so the air conditioning able to absorb that much amount of maximum heat at that particular time. So it is designed in such a way that the maximum heat absorbing capacity remain good during the peak visit of the customer. Similarly, commercial and public building also you have comfort air conditioning. Hotels and restaurant you have the comfort air conditioning. Hotel and restaurant it depend on which activity. Like if you see the hotels, in hotels it's restaurant and restaurant have very high occupancy. Okay, so there you need to have the more fresh air required as well as the high absorbing capacity of the heat. Okay, similarly healthcare facilities, in healthcare facilities you need to require the very fresh air. Okay, so the ventilation should be very good for the healthcare facilities if you are installing the air condition, because in healthcare condition the optimum oxygen should be maintained always, because there are patients they require good atmosphere to remain healthy or to recover from disease as well as for avoid any infection. Okay, so it required to always replace the inside air with outside air. Okay, second other one is the education facilities where the number of students are in one class and they are sitting there, so that room should be designed to the capacity of the student. That in one class if you have the 60 student, then the comfort air conditioning should be designed with the 60 student plus 2 3 or 5 10 student more. Okay, plus what the maximum temperature in that institution, peak temperature during summer maybe. Okay, so in that temperature uh, keeping in point we will design the comfort air conditioning. Other things like automobile, train, ship, aircraft also require the comfort air conditioning. We see in the our car if we don't open the AC during the summer we feel very uncomfortable. Okay, so it necessary to have the air conditioning in the automobiles as well as train also. If you have summer and the long train journey, it is very comfort to have the AC coaches. Similarly, in ships is required always. Okay, in aircraft it is compulsory to have the air conditioning unit, because there is we need to maintain the temperature as well as the pressure, because in space the pressure become low. So inside the aircraft the pressure also need to maintain equal to the atmosphere pressure. Okay, in ship there is ocean, there is a ship, so there will be high relative humidity, so we need to maintain the comfort relative humidity zone. Okay, so that's about the comfort air conditioning. Next we will see some industrial air conditioning example. Industrial air conditioning unit like textile, so it depend on the which type of industries you have. Okay, like first you have the textile industries where you require the high amount of moisture inside the textile unit. Okay, second, laboratories where you have the pharmaceutical company doing research and microbiologist doing research. In that such environment also you require the 100% air conditioning. Okay, third is the data processing. In data processing you require the cool the server. Okay, you know the data processing where the number of processor are operating with the 24 hours. Okay, and large cooling tower required to cool their servers. Okay, so data server also need to have the air conditioning. Okay, and generally it has been seen that the data cloud servers are generally located in the cooler country, because they have very low cooling bill in the cooler country or even the arctic region. Okay, they are planning to ship their server to in the very cold zone, so they don't pay much uh, power bill to for the cooling or refrigeration system. Okay, telecommunication also we require the air conditioning. Museum also require the air conditioning, because in open atmosphere the attics inside the museum may deteriorate their conditions. Okay, their surface might be changed, their color might be changed. So for long time preservation we need to have the air conditioning inside the museum. Okay, because it takes the object which we place in the museum can be safe for the long duration. Similarly, power plant also required the air conditioning. Power plant control unit, okay, where also you have so many electronics switches, device, okay, so which need to be cooled down for 24 hour. Okay. Similarly, nuclear facility also you require the air conditioning facilities. Okay, because it very hazardous, and also here you also need some radiation protection. Okay, so there are a number of health protection might require. Next one is the environment control agriculture. Today we can have the different type of plant in different weather. Okay, like one plant which naturally grow in the colder region, but if the country do not have the cold season, then what they can maintain the cold region in any fixed space or in fixed area or volume where they can grow such type of the plant. Okay, so this concept is also coming. Next one is the mining also 100% require the air conditioning, where the air and pressure are very different inside the mines. So without air conditioning you cannot operate the operation or process inside the mining. Okay, so here what is required? You require the precise control of the humidity, temperature might be there. Okay, in different point of view. Like textile you need only moisture to control, so the thread cannot be break. Okay. Similarly, laboratory also the temperature required, as well as some human tissue storage facilities also required the air conditioning, or that required actually refrigeration. Okay. So these are the few example for the industrial air conditioning where you require the temperature as well as the relative humidity. In industrial air conditioning, it doesn't require always to control both relative humidity or temperature. Some industry require relative humidity, some industry require precise temperature control. Okay, but in comfort air conditioning, it is required to have both 55 to 60% relative humidity, and temperature range should be 23 to 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so that is a difference. We will see next the difference between comfort and industrial air conditioning unit. In particular, if we see the size, the comfort AC have the smaller size, the industrial AC have the larger size. Location wise, it is not hard and fast, but generally comfort air conditioning unit placed on the backyard or side of the building or at the window. Okay, but industrial AC generally fixed or located on the roof of the top. Complexity, obviously comfort AC have the low complexity, while the industrial AC have the high complexity, or also depend on the process based. Like in textile you require the moisture. If the moisture vary from the design or requirement, the whole process unit product might affect it. Okay, so it is very necessary to control the precise humidity in the textile. Similarly, in comfort AC, the requirement is the relative humidity and the temperature, but also here is depend how many person are there inside the AC or air conditioning unit, or how much time they will stay generally. Okay, so that parameter we need to follow. Similarly, the drainage system, drainage from the condenser outside unit. Okay, so in comfort AC it is small, in industrial AC it is larger because there is larger heat rejection from the condenser. Similarly, in comfort AC there will be a small heat rejection from the AC, or it might have the water cooled condenser, it might have air cooled condenser. Okay, maintenance, if you see, the comfort AC have the low maintenance and industrial AC have the high maintenance. Need, generally what is need? To comfort the human being. In industrial air conditioning, it is required to precise control of humidity and the temperature. Okay, so these are the difference of the comfort and industrial AC. So here we have finished the unit 5, last topic. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a good day.